Now, the big question, how does CSS actually function? How does it relate to web design? Well, I love showing this website. Go ahead and fire up your web browser and head over to csszengarden.com. And that'll bring you here. And this is a fantastic example, not only of how CSS interacts and how CSS plays a role in web design, but it's also a showcase for some amazing CSS design. Let's go and check this out. So you arrive at this website and you might be thinking, well, it's not that interesting. But over on the side here, it says selected design, and there's all sorts of different options here. Under the Sea, Make 'em Proud, Orchid Beauty, Oceanscape, all sorts of different guys here. Go ahead and choose one of these guys. I'm going to choose Under the Sea. Now, when I choose Under the Sea, it looks as if I'm taken to a different website, doesn't it? But as a matter of fact, I'm still on CSS Zen Garden. And as a matter of fact, if you were paying close attention, you'll notice that all of the content is exactly the same as well. What's changed is the look and feel of the website. In other words, the raw structure for CSS Zen Garden is exactly the same. What's changed is the presentation of that structure, of that content. Let's try another one. I'm going to go with Make 'em Proud over on the right-hand side. Once again, it looks as if we've been taken to a completely different website, but we're still on the same page. What's happened is a different design. Imagine a different template has been applied to the same page. There it is. So there's all sorts of guys in here that you can go and check out. Oceanscape, that's another neat one. Go and choose that guy. And we wind up with something like this. This is all being created, all being driven by CSS. But the point that I want you to take away from all of this is that CSS is the dress up. CSS is the design on top of the raw structural HTML. That's how it works. So, you might want to spend a few minutes on CSS Zen Garden, exploring around, checking out what other designers have done with CSS, get some design ideas as well. This is a pretty cool design. But again, the big takeaway is we're simply changing the dress up. It's like redesigning your living room, applying new paint to the walls, new curtains, things like that. That's what CSS is all about.